My backyard, two sweet potatoes, and this is spinach growing, and marigolds. I have marigolds everywhere. This is just a part of it. Then these are green peas coming up, and I have some broccoli and chickpeas on the side, which are very small. This is Spanish mint, very healthy. And I have Indian basil, vinca. This is also good for making tea in the morning. I have these beautiful flowers. This is the last bloom as summer is coming. Sugarcane I planted for the first time, so I'm going to plant more this year. Turmeric, I have turmeric in containers because they're easy to harvest in the containers for me. And this is cassava. I've planted cassava for the first time, so I'll see how to harvest it. Guava, most of my guavas are eaten by birds, so it's good. Something for the nature. Some I get. Um, and then this is moringa. I planted this year. It was just a stick, and then it grew so nicely. Papaya already harvested. This is night jasmine. I don't know the name sure, but it's very medicinal. The leaves and the flowers are very medicinal. Um, and my dill, my favorite vegetable, some lemongrass. I need to harvest that also before winter, and peppers. So this is my small backyard with different plants.